Traditional production systems have been failing to cope with the issues of productivity and flexibility. For the past 40 years in Japan, Toyota has imagined, developed, and spread a system of production pointing to these issues. That is TPS, also called lean manufacturing. In understanding the true spirit of lean manufacturing, it is essential to understand the differences between added value and waste, or mura in Japanese. Muras are what the client won't pay for, production waste. Added value is what the client agrees to pay for, the process of assembly. The TPS system aims to reduce 7 types of waste. In this system, priority is given to the assembly area where the factory creates value. On the line, being productive means giving the priority to assembly and avoiding loss of time by placing all necessary components within reach of the operator. Moving from large to smaller portable containers is the first step in the process. This action affects operator fatigue by reducing unnecessary operator movements, gets materials off the floor, reduces inventory, and provides a safer work environment. Logistics, serving the workstation.
Now I'm going to show you my journey so you can understand how I ended up here in the right place, right moment, thanks to the new lean logistics system and its continuous flow. So keep an eye on me, cause I can't stop moving. This is how my fellows and I arrive from your suppliers. In this next stage, we are placed in storage areas called supermarkets. They take up less floor space than traditional pallet storage systems. The optimum supermarket will be adjustable and modular to meet the ever-changing process requirements for continuous flow. And as shown, this change provides a real space-saving opportunity. Movement of the containers from the supermarket to line side is accomplished using a train. More flexible, faster, and safer than a forklift, train cars are loaded at the supermarket to meet the line side's immediate needs for the coming minutes. The more flexible and more regular delivery sequence immediately speeds up the flow and reduces stocks. In order to gain time and reduce unnecessary movements on the production line, we are placed in dynamic racks or flow racks used specially for line sides. They enable a strong compression of used spaces. Flow racks also ensure a regular supply of the workstation, right to the operator's hands. Here we are, at the right place and at the right moment, as promised. And the ergonomics are perfect too, thanks to Lean Tech's flexibility. And what if I transport other types of material that require different containers? Lean Tech enables personalized systems. And that is what we call lean manufacturing. And in some cases, you just won't need me. Lean Tech's flexibility allows you to quickly implement creative solutions. That's how we set a permanent dynamic to reduce mudas. The Kaizen dynamic. Continuous improvement of production in small steps. But something else needs to be mentioned. The floor space saved by using these flow racks allows the introduction of new references. Thus, the incorporation of smaller batches of different models at the same line. These flexible lines make it easier to standardize work and concentrate on the act of assembly. And now, we're on our way back to your suppliers. As you have discovered, our arrival in the factory may reduce many different wastes. The major benefit of lean logistics is to reduce stock, transportation, and overproduction wastes in the factory, thus freeing up a sizable amount of capital. These additional financial resources may then be allocated to strategic objectives such as research, marketing, and additional production opportunities. To date, lean manufacturing is the only tried and tested system for improving productivity.